Suffering, pain, hurt, all these things that we don't want to have in our life. We all want to be happy. Whatever we do, ultimately, we are trying to be happy. But if you look at a little closely at suffering or pain or hurt for that matter, or a rejection, whatever the negative emotion, if you look at closely and try to analyze what has caused its suffering, what led to the suffering, actually will help you to come out of it and then make you much more stronger person. So most of the times, the more you run away from suffering, the more you are avoiding yourself or looking for some escape from becoming strong. So it's always important that when there is a suffering, you look at it closely and see if you can overcome that suffering. Sometimes it may be in your hands, sometimes it may not be in your hands, but definitely you will find a way to come out of the situation if you really look at it that it is something that you can come out of it. And then if it requires that you might need some help, and then you can think of someone or something who can help you to come out of this suffering. But ultimately it is the person who is going through the suffering has to find a way, and as long as you are sincere in your efforts and trying to come out of it, there will be something that will definitely help you to move out of the situation, because time is something that it keeps moving, and then your willingness to come out of the situation itself will act as a motivation for you to come out of the suffering, and it becomes your own strength. So it is ultimately believing yourself than trying to surrender or look at yourself that you are a victim and then there is no way out of this suffering. So the solution is in your hands. Thank you.